Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to use Additive Helix. Create new drawing and change into part design. Click create body, create sketch. Now I will choose this XZ plane. To use Additive Path, we need to create for profile. I will use a circle as a profile. After it, click close. And then you can click at these icons, Additive Helix, so to be automatically generate the profile. You also can set for pitch at this option, and this is for height. The other option you also can select from another axis. So in here I will create new axis, you can cancel. I will active for the origin. And then you can click this plane, create sketch. I will draw line, like start from this point to the top. Click close. And then you can select the circle object. Click Additive Helix tools. Now you can change axis in it. We can set into select reference. I will select this line object. So it will be automatically change the axis. You done? You can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials, how to use Additive Helix. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.